My 9-year-old, 10-year-old, I showed all of them how to put on rubber. Before you even start having sex, I done showed my sons how to put on rubber. Ain't finna get my son no motherfucking shit out here. I'm training them boys right. I'm training them boys right. Ask in there my nephew. Ask in them. Ask my son. Yeah. They were 12, 13. They got head. Yeah. That's how it's supposed to be. Yeah. Hell yeah, I got my fucking son dick sucked. You fucking right. Yes, a grown woman. Grown, super grown. Super grown. Checked his ass out. Checked all my nephews out. Super grown. Is she grown? She checked me out. I know what the fuck she did to them. She checked me out, that bitch. I'm getting them prepared, man. Fuck that. I'm getting them, my boys. That's how they built like that. Yeah. I'm just saying. Don't you bring your juvenile daughter around here, she might get fucked. Sorry, I gotta keep it real. My son trained to fuck. He watched daddy, they trained to fuck. Yes, yeah. That's how I raise them. I don't care what y'all say. Yeah. It's better than them watching cartoons. Yeah, that's why they got iPhone 11s. They can watch as much porn as they want. Yeah, it's better than them watching cartoons with two men kissing. It's better than them watching TV with two men kissing. It's better than them watching cartoons. It's better than watching cartoons with all this gay shit on there. Yeah, I'm getting them an iPhone. They can put in Pornhub, XXN, anything they fucking want. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, we raise them different. Yeah, y'all raise them on cartoons. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's just how it is. Yeah. We raise our children different. You might got children watching them gay ass cartoons. You heard me? You might got Nas X all over your room. And you with your kids, not me. Hell no. They got iPhone 11. They can watch porn all they fuck they want. They can watch bitches for days. Free. Everybody raised their children different. That's how I raised mine. I'm just saying, everybody raised their children different. Don't talk about how I raised mine. Everybody raised their children different. That's just how I raised mine. That's how I raised my boys, man. I got boys, dog. I got boys. Showed them how to put on condoms before they was even fucking. Bitch barely can fit on they shit. I say, roll that bitch back. Pinch that head and roll that bitch back. Tell me how I raised mine. Talking about that too. The Tootie can come right now. So I'm gonna call him in here as soon as he come. Tootie love pussy. Yeah, that boy like that. That boy love pussy. Yeah. Yeah, we raise our children different. You tell your children, take her to the movies, son. I tell my child, fuck her, son. Fuck the shit out of that fine ass